Hi, Dana here, and today I'm going to show you how I bleach dyed this old sweatshirt of mine. Actually, it was more than that. It was an old Halloween costume that I would probably never wear again, which made it the perfect test subject for this bleach dye project. So if you guys want to see how I made this sweatshirt, stick around to the end of the video. I want to emphasize the need for gloves for this project. Please, please, please do not do this without gloves. Bleach can and will burn your skin. Also, you can find these at the dollar store normally. I know that with the COVID scare, you might not be able to find them right now, but these are usually $1 at Dollar Tree. And then I wanted to mention that I don't recommend using this low splash bleach. If you can find just regular liquid bleach, use that. I'm fully convinced that you probably get better results. You can also probably control the bleach and how it's applied just a little bit better. So get regular liquid bleach. So I decided to bleach my washing machine out, just for sanitary reasons. And I thought about it and I was like, hey, why don't I try bleaching out this black sweater I have that I've already cut the sleeves off of. I don't know, I kind of want to tie-dye it if we can get it white enough. Let's see what happens. So status update, that didn't work. So it's a little bit lighter, it's like a brown color. We're letting it soak in some more bleach and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so diluting the bleach clearly isn't working. We kind of have like a brown color. I've got a different idea. So it's been like a minute or two and I see absolutely nothing going on. So we're just gonna let it sit for a little while and see what happens. So this is what we got after we washed everything out. I'm just not exactly happy with some of these spots, so I'm actually gonna apply a little bit more bleach. So you can definitely see some color change going on. I think we're gonna get some really nice results now. Alrighty, so this is what we have after washing it out. I'm not exactly sure like what that mark is. It might be from a dryer sheet. I don't know, but I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. So this is what the back looks like. I actually really like the hood. This is kind of how I wanted the whole thing to turn out, but honestly the bleach kind of spread more than I expected it to. But it's cute. I like it. So this actually wasn't sleeveless. I cut the sleeves off months ago, but I saved them, so I thought it'd be cute if we reattach them with safety pins and see how this looks. So this is the final result. I think it's super cute. Look at the little arms, how they're held on. I even put a little safety pin in the ear because, you know, why not? Now it's left to try it on. I also noticed down here at the bottom the stitching stayed black, so that's kind of adorable actually. It matches the arms. So I think it turned out pretty cute. I do think it might look a little better if you actually sewed the sleeves on, but since summer's coming up, I want the ability to be able to remove them. I think the little like ears are my favorite, just the hood turned out really well. Again, I wish, you know, the rest of it was kind of a little more splotchy, but I didn't pay attention to the time that I left the bleach, so Overall, I think it's kind of cute though. This was an old Halloween costume that I was planning on like throwing away or probably never wearing anyways, so it was fun to experiment with. Because this is my first time bleach dyeing anything, I wasn't quite sure how this project would turn out. If I left you guys with any tips from this video, it would be to consider what exactly you're going to be bleach dyeing and the amount of time that you're going to leave the bleach on. For example, if your garment isn't, you know, pitch black, you might not need to leave the bleach as long. And also consider if you want to start with your garment wet or dry, because that will also affect, you know, your end results. I believe that I had better results working with a dry garment than I did with a wet garment. So those are just, you know, some ideas to keep in mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys want to see more bleach dye / tie-dye projects in the future. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that because it definitely helps the channel grow. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!